Bardak's Dragon Ball. So I don't care these characters.
Well, Bardock and Zamasu. There you go.
Are these
And
good characters?
yes, the best characters. Zamasu is debatable on how good he is. He's good with the setup team behind him, which Regulus does have. So.
I've seen Regulus use this character a lot.
Oh yeah, Zamasu is sick. I was thinking about picking up Zamasu, but then like Adult Gohan exists, so you know. Oh, sick mix-ups from Bardock. This character is so insane. Oh.
Okay. Okay, Sharded.
All right, with the low mix-ups right off the bat. Yeah, Bardock just kind of swinging. You know how Bardocks do. Pressing all them buttons. Oh yes, double level 1, keeping that boy in. Losing almost no health. That's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty insane.
It's
Oh, good neutral. Yeah, letting Bardock get a hit on your shield, kind of the worst decision you can make. And there's not much of a choice in that decision, to be honest. Keeping him out is, yeah, alright, good hit. You're going to want to capitalize as much as you can on this. Vanish. Oh, I would have liked to see a vanish there. Get as much damage as possible on this Bardock. Oh. Yep, vanish. No, level 1. That might kill. No,
I don't think it's gonna kill.
definitely not now. But if he did 3 level 1s, it might have. Oh, good spark. Yeah, stagger strings coming out from Gravy. Regulus trying to press buttons, but just not working out. Ooh. Misspaced that level 3. Ooh, good 2H call out. Wolfang Fist mix-ups, he's just opting to not deal with it. Give me that vanish. Get me out of this corner. Oh, but he said bring Bardock back. Oh, dive kicks.
Max. Take on place. I don't know anything's going on.
I got it. No, sorry. Get someone else.
So basically,
Jarvis,
Super Dash is
man,
busted.
You want to commentate DDD or no?
Oh,
Either of you?
that went through that because it was invincible.
I tried. Do either of you want to commentate Dragon Ball? Alright.
Oh. Scooped him up. Oh. Missed the punish on that character swap, but still getting the mix-up on which side he went on. Is that missed? Okay, that would have killed for sure, but... Oh, light beats everything. Let's go, baby. Yeah, Yamcha lights. All right, he has sparking, so it's doable, but this is a really scary situation for Regulus. Oh, God. Raw call out. He went to... Oh, he tried to 2H that vanish, but went on the wrong side because Dragon Ball is a broken game. All right, and that is it. Game 1, pretty one-sided going to Feed Me Gravy. Because, you know, Bardock. It's hard to not have a one-sided game with Bardock.
We're gonna rematch no character switches?
Yeah, I respect it.
Yeah, I respect it. Maybe you guys go if you wanted to.
All right. Good block strings. Could have used the Yamcha assist there to extend the block strings, maybe get some mix-ups, but opting to keep the assist on deck. Oh, you love to see that Piccolo assist just sort of like buzz around on your character while you're on the ground. Oh, flying in neutral. Oh, nice. Thank you, camera. Couldn't see the assist get called, so just randomly got hit. Oh, on Ja? Oh! Level 3 in neutral. I mean, Zamasu, it is pretty hard to punish.
I mean, using specials in neutral, that's definitely... It can catch people off guard.
Oh, for sure. See, I think he was going to catch the backdash there, but the backdash frames ended by the time he started it up. So, oh, double? No. Dropping it, sadly. Yup. Bring that boy to the corner. Give me these mix-ups. Piccolo. Is he going to go for the character swap? Piccolo. Yup, he is going for the character swap. Set up that Oki. Oh, no, he's not. He's just going for the kill. I respect it. 3 bars, kill,
Was that
Bardock out
off
at the end.
full health?
No.
I'm your guy.
Ooh, Bardock things. Beam catching that tech back. This could be dead. If he knows sparking combos, this is, oh no. He's just opting to level 3, go for the mix-up out of it. That's good. Regulus probably gonna have to spark here, but if Feed Me Gravy calls it out, this could be scary.
I don't think
Oh, oh, he didn't respect it. That's plus on block. Just don't let it hit in the first place. Is what? Oh, that move, yeah. That move is plus on block if you let him actually hit your shield with it. Bardock is not fun to deal with. You gotta know. Oh man. Right off the bat, just hitting him with the run-up lows.
Take my place. I don't know what's happening.
Alright, that's fine.
All right.
In a scary position already.
Feed me gravy.
Up 2-0.
Played Bardock.
Yep.
He played Team Hook Gang guy. At least.
He's getting these corner combos off of character swaps.
What was the score?
Oh,
So, how'd it go? What was the score?
Yeah, 2-0.
2-0 you lost?
Yeah.
Regulus is Zamasu is really good.
oh yeah, it's sick. Love to see good Zamasu play, but oh, he's going for
Yeah,
raw
that
damage.
was a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage, and he is big dead.
And he went for the crack
Regulus
option.
and MTG.
Oh,
Yeah, Feed Me Gravy's.
it was fun commentating. I will be
Thank
back
you for
soon.
commentating.
Thank you for taking my spot.
Regulus also has a cooler.
You saw the last like 3 times he was on stream because he was on stream a lot, but he has a cooler.
Let's get Slandy and Bish.
Yeah. Oh, he went for the. I like the on snap Hellzone grenade. That was really nice, but Regulus very swiftly sparking through that, which was good. That was sort of how you answer that mix up. I like the reflect into air dash was really nice from Regulus there. There was some very good situational awareness. Backdash, that was nice. Ooh, a DP from Regulus. Closes out the Bardock. This is a lot closer than it was 2 seconds ago. And Regulus, not missing his confirm there. It's a shame. Forcing him to block, cross up. Overhead, clips him, and the cooler is gone. The problem for many of these players, I assume, is gone. Zamasu by himself is really hard to play as, so and the level 3. That was actually really nice from Feed Me Gravy. He's gonna block this, I think. Yeah, he didn't commit to a button. And Feed Me Gravy goes 3-0 over Regulus. And yeah. So who's Feed Me Gravy gonna play next?